Welcome. Today I'm with Motorola Edge 20 Lite and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on the display and the smartphone. So we have to at the first take a look on the display. As you can see, I can find here a lot of fingerprints and other greasy marks. So we have to remember that the good lighting is essential to see all the mess that we have on our display. And also it will be good if you have the quiet place so that anything can distract you. That's very important. And next we can finally move to our box with tempered glass. So I have this kind of the protection on the screen. And in the box we can also find the two wipes. We have wet and a dry. And at the first we are going to use a wet wipe to remove these fingerprints and the greasy marks from our display. And after that we will get the dry one. But let's start from the wet. So open it, and sometimes this wet wipes comes dry, unfortunately. So if something like that happened to you, you can use something like window cleaner or something like that and apply it on your wipe. In my case, everything is fine, but you know that just happens sometimes. So you have to clean your screen like that. You can make moves in the circle, reach a very corner and edge. And that's how easy you can remove all of these greasy marks and fingerprints from the display. As you can see, our display looks right now definitely better. So the next step is to use the dry wipe. And just do the same. So with the dry wipe, we have to remove all of these wet marks after cleaning with the wet wipe. And as you can see right now, our display looks fantastic. So you have to be sure that there is no any dust on the screen, because when you apply tempered glass on the display you will find the air bubbles, so you want to avoid that. So if you have any dust, just drag to the bottom section of the screen and remove it with the wipe. You can also use the stickers or duct tape, whatever you have around you. And finally we can move to apply tempered glass, so we have to remove this sticker and it will follow with this foil. Sometimes it's not happened, so you have to remove this foil manually by using your fingernail and put it underneath this foil from the one of the edge. And right now we have to keep holding the bottom part and put the notch right here. It's very important to apply this glass evenly. You can turn on the screen to take a look how it looks. I think that in my case it looks really good. And I'm going to turn it on a little bit to the right side, like that. And then you can finally put it on your display, like that, and take a look. It goes automatically. You don't even have to press on the screen, but you can for sure to make it faster, like that. And as you can see, we get here this kind of the marks. It's the glue marks. So if you want to remove them, we can do it very simply. You have to press on them with wipe. As you can see, it disappears. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, and as you can see right now, we finally get rid of all of these glue marks and we can use our device. So as you can see, we don't have any problem with the touch interaction, so we don't have to be afraid of applying this kind of the glass on your smartphone. So yeah, that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.